Start on the main home screen and tap the Tables icon. From the Tables view, select Table 1. In the Table 1 pop-up menu, tap New Order. When the Enter Party Size prompt appears, enter 4 using the number pad and tap the blue checkmark. The screen will transition directly to the Register menu. Make sure Guest 1 is selected in the top navigation bar. Tap Horchata under the Featured Items list. Select the medium drink size and tap Apply. A toast message will confirm the item was added to Guest 1's cart. Swipe to the Combos tab and tap Taco Trio. For the protein choice, select Chicken. Under Salsa, select Pico, Mild. Under Add-ons, check the box for extra cheese, then tap Apply. Now, swipe the top guest bar and select Guest 3. Swipe to the Bowls tab and select Burrito Bowl, Chicken. For the bean choice, select Black Beans. For the rice choice, select No Rice. Scroll down to select Pico, Mild, for the salsa and check the box for extra cheese under Add-ons. Before applying, tap the plus button at the bottom right to increase the quantity to 2, then tap Apply. Swipe the top guest bar again to select Guest 4. Return to the Featured tab and select Tortilla Soup. Choose Medium for the spice level and tap Apply. With the entire table's order input and organized by guest, tap the purple Save Order, $68.31 button in the top right corner. An order saved notification will appear, and the screen will automatically transition back to the table's view. Table 1 is now marked in red, indicating it is occupied, and displays the current saved balance of $68.31 for the party of 4.